Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet handy feature on Discord: how to mark your chats as read on your Android device. If you're tired of seeing those pesky unread notifications, stick around as we guide you through the quick steps to clear things up. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can get started. Once you're in, navigate to the server or direct message where you have those unread messages. It could be a busy server with lots of activity or a private chat that needs your attention. Either way, finding that chat is essential. Next, here's where the magic happens. Long press on the server or chat icon located on the left sidebar. This will bring up a menu with several options. Don't panic, it's all straightforward from here. Now look for the option that says Mark as Read. Tap on it, and just like that, you'll have cleared your unread notifications for that specific chat or server. No more distractions. And that's it. You've successfully marked your chat as read on Discord. It's a super quick process, but it can really help you manage your messages effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.